Hi everyone, and welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. Today Matt and I are at Quail Ridge Park in St. Charles County, and it's near Wentzville, and we just had a very yummy brunch, I guess, at the Wentzville Family Diner.
We're going to try the Staley Way Trail, which is 2.3 miles in one direction. Here we go.
Quail Ridge Park in St. Charles County, Missouri is 250 acres. It sits along Peruque Creek, and there are 7 miles of natural surface and paved trails that wind throughout the park. Since it was near the end of October, we were hoping to catch some great fall colors along the creek and the trail. We were just right down there at the edge of that, and we've come up above now. Park amenities include an 18-hole disc golf course, a 2.5-acre off-leash dog area, many picnic shelters, and playgrounds. Well, the end of October is an absolutely beautiful time to come to Quail Ridge Park. Got lots of water features surrounding the trail so far, and really enjoying it. It's a beautiful day. So the trail's been running along the creek. It's really pretty. Lots of places to stop and look at it. If you know Matt at all, you know he really likes to be in the water. Gotta go that way. Don't get wet. We have finished with the Through the Woods Trail. It was called Staley Way. Is that right, Matt?
That's right.
Staley Way, or Staley Trail, or something to that effect. Anyway, and now we're going to take the paved trail back over to the truck instead of going back, making an out and back of it all. We're going to make a circle, I guess, ish. Anyway, here we go. We got around to the dog park on the paved trail and decided we want to head back into the woods. So we're headed back to the truck. So this is the first part of the first trail we were on for the day. And we'll be back.
Steely Dan Trail.
Steely Dan Trail. Yes. No.
Well, we're back.
We are back.
And we went 5.51 miles by the Garmin GPS.
Awesome. So we got some miles in for the Hike 365 challenge. It's a good hike, a nice day.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, this is Kay and Matt from Happy Trails Hiking.